Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video, and today's video is about Make Me Online and a tool that I use, and that's a good tool to use that help promotes my content is Socialpilot. Socialpilot is a social media management tool. It's going to allow you to post all your content to all the different social media sites from one platform. Also, you can respond to different people posts about your posts all in one platform. So instead of signing into Facebook and Reddit, you can do it all in one place, which is also a good thing because if you make money online or you have a business, you need something like this to promote your business, promote wherever you're selling your content, your YouTube videos. It's a good tool to use to spread all your information across multiple different social media platforms. The big three that it does have that everyone uses pretty much is Facebook, Google Plus. I don't think Google Plus is a big three, but Facebook, Tumblr, Google Plus, they have that, and Reddit. And I also have Pinterest. So all the top three social media platforms, they have it and more. So you can spread all your content around. You can schedule content. You can repeat your content, which is also a good feature because you can post one for Monday, and then the same post you have on Monday, you can post it Wednesday, and that same post for Monday and Wednesday, you can post it for Friday. So you post the same video 3 times on social media to get views and people watching your videos. So Socialpilot is a tool I use. I've done reviews in the past about Socialpilot a long time ago, but it's like an update video. Tools you need to make money online: an autoresponder, blog, YouTube channel. You'll need social media signals, and you'll need a social media tool to manage all that social media traffic, all that content you want to disperse across different networks. You need a tool for that, unless you want to sign in to every different social media platform and sign in and post the content. It just takes too much time. Do all in one place. Socialpilot is the place to go. Right now they have a 14-day free trial. You can try it out for 14 days. If you like it, keep it. Don't like it, don't just cancel it. But there's another way to get free traffic as well. Okay, I think the cheapest plan is like $10 a month, which is cheap compared to what you really use it with. You could build all your social media profiles and just push out content every day, 3 times a day, 4 times a day on autopilot. You don't have to. Okay, so again, this is one of the tools that you should be thinking about getting. I'll say autoresponder, Socialpilot, TubeBuddy, a blog, a YouTube channel, some kind of landing page builder as well. I might do a video about that. But if you have all those tools, maybe a software that can help with clicks and traffic and shows you where the traffic is coming from, like ClickMagick. That could be a tool also, and that's pretty much all you need. You need nothing else besides that. But Socialpilot is the way to go. In the box below, you can click on the box below and pick it up. It's cheaper than Buffer. It's cheaper than Hootsuite. It's much easier to use. Very easy to use. Very easy to set up. 14-day trial. Check it out. This is Ty for DashKing.com, and thanks for watching.